请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and winning the award for Best Hakka Album at this year's Golden Melody Awards is Huang Zixuan and his album New Soul. Now here comes a song called Past Path of Hakka or Hakka Loi Si Lu, and it features the keyboardist Wu Jialu on the piano, where Huang and Wu seem to be in conversation throughout the song, weaving emotional layers into the music. Let's take a listen.
翻过山路，叫这西风，寻梦之途，浪再来险阻，起起落落，开创新路。八公天公开众生无用。负你三大병不负延寿新家中八公天公开众生梦不用辜负你三大병不负延寿新家中埋汰祖宗天阿妹嘅花，也不用睇咧，也不用睇咧。下家來時路，來時路，下菜族譜，劇菜中部，奈為了。來流向哪邊野馬中一條河就壓情
恭喜黄子轩推出的牛骚专辑，这次拿下金曲奖最佳客语专辑，其中歌曲《客家来时路》Hakka Loi Si Lu 由三平快的键盘手吴家路弹奏钢琴，录音地点呢还特别选在台北老牌的嘉森录音室，全木质空间搭配人声与钢琴的同步录音，彼此呼应，情绪满满，营造出如临现场的聆听体验。Once again, congratulations to Huang Zixuan for winning the award. I'm Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.